Hello people, are you guys ready to hold the future in your hands and create it? Then welcome to the world of teaching. Teaching is a profession where a lot of efforts take place and it is a selfless act. The content knowledge matters a lot in our profession, but that is not just it. There are several other factors like your presentation, your behavior and your interaction with the students that makes the teaching learning process effective and interactive. Majorly, all the institution these days looks for an all-rounder who can master all the aspects, and that is why the teaching interviews are conducted on a whole different level these days. In this video, we will try to elaborate and tell you what are the things you should do while you go for an interview. Hello everyone, my name is Nandit Bhatnagar. I am an NTA UGC NET qualified, a CSES aspirant and a teaching freak. If you are new to the channel, make sure you like this video. Your likes really motivates me. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. It will be worth it. Now, without wasting any precious minute of yours, let's dive into the video and let's create the future. Now the first and the most important thing is that always be presentable. And by presentable I mean both mentally and physically. Always remember one thing, that presentation is the key. Just wear neat and tidy clothes and never forget to smile when you enter into the room. Just make sure that you are confident enough and you can go through any obstacle that comes on your path. Let's talk about our point number 2, that is be patient. Always be patient because teaching requires a lot of patience, and this is something that comes with our job description. There might be times that while you are giving the lecture, the people or the students might flood you with questions. Just do not lose your cool in that period of time. Just listen to each and every one of them very carefully and try to answer everyone in a very humble, short and precise manner. Suppose you are chilling in the classroom with your friends and suddenly a person comes and starts writing on board without saying any word to you or your friends or anybody in the classroom. It would really create an awkward situation in the classroom and the aura of the classroom will be disturbed and destroyed. So in order to avoid this, just make sure you follow point number 3, that is introduce yourself. Always make sure when you enter into the classroom, just greet the students and anybody that is present in the classroom and tell them about yourself and then slowly gradually persuade into the topic. Always remember, you have to make them learn, and making learn is an art only few people can endure. So make sure you give them a friendly environment and a protective environment so that they can learn better. Now comes the point of demo lecture. So always choose your demo lecture wisely. Demo lecture is a phase when you are given all the tools and aids and you have to create a magical lecture without making anybody bored or misguide anyone with the lack of knowledge. So make sure you choose a topic that is under your comfort zone and you prepare it from start to the end. Just from the start, prepare your lecture, plan your entire lecture, what are the tools you are going to use, how you are going to persuade the topic, and what are the examples you are going to roll into the topic. Just always make the notes of it and go according to that. Sometimes there might be times when the topic to you is given by the supervisor. In that case, just trust your knowledge, do not lose your calm, stay in the confidence and you can pull this off. With keeping all these necessary things in mind, you can definitely crack any teaching interview and continue to follow your passion. Now, if you like this video, make sure you share it with your teacher friends and help them with the simple teaching tips. I will be signing off from now and see you guys in my next one.